Today we are going to learn another interesting lap winding, that is a double layer lap winding. Okay, so last class we have seen different types of the lap windings. So before that, so what we have seen previous classes, basics, let us recollect. For lap winding, first steps are to develop the winding, find simple calculations, find back pitch, front pitch based on given data. That is the simple calculations. You do the simple calculations. Second step, prepare winding table. Winding table. Third step, develop winding diagram. Winding diagram. And finally, draw ring diagram. Ring diagram. Okay, these 4 steps we are going to follow for any development of the lap winding. Let us see. We will take the one problem, given example, practical example. Okay, so one problem I can read. Draw the developed winding diagram of lap winding for 6 poles is given. P is equals 6 poles is given, and 18 slots with 2 coils sides per slot. Number of slots is given 18 slots. Each slot 2 conductor sides. Okay, so for each coils 2 coil sides. Okay, 2 coil sides per slot. That means here winding. So here is a one coil and here is a another coil, double layer winding. Okay, this is one coil side, this is the another coil side. Okay, each slot has the 2 coil sides. Let us assume 2 coil sides. Okay, now double layer one. Here is given the obviously it's the double layer. So as you know that this is the top, this is the bottom. So top one you draw the solid one and bottom one is draw the dotted one. Okay, for easy drawing purpose. Double layer winding. There is a double layer showing there in position of poles, direction of the motions, direction of the induced EMFs and position of the brushes. Everything we have to draw it. Okay, so we have to draw a developed winding up diagram, lap winding we are going to draw. So given the data only this much. So double layer. So everything we are going to draw. Our aim is to find the ring diagram. Okay, so for this purpose simply follow the steps. First step is the simple calculations. Okay, so as you know that simple calculations based on the given data, find the YB and YF. If the P is given, okay, now you can, the P is given how many poles? 6 poles. Okay, S is given slots, 18 slots. So I require the Z conductors. Z conductors is equal 2 into 18, that is equal nearly, so number of conductors are 36. Okay, so now I am going to calculate, so back pitch YB. YB is equal to Z by P plus 1. Okay, Z is the 36 by P is the 6 poles plus 1, that is equal to 6 ones are 6 6 are, that is equal, we are going to 7. As I know that back pitch and front pitch differ by the 2 and it should be the odd. Yes, it is a odd. Now it may be 7, it may be the front pitch. The front pitch may be back pitch minus front pitch, or you can write simply Z by P minus 1, that is equal 6 minus 1, so we are going to the 5. Okay, so progressive winding, let us take the progressive winding. So progressive winding, so minus 1. So retrogressive winding, this may be 9. Okay, so let us assume this is a progressive winding. So we know that for progressive winding, so YB is equal to 7 and YF is equal to 5. Okay, so based on this one, you develop the winding table. Okay, so what is the winding table? Let us see. So develop the winding table. Okay, so let us do. Okay, so here you draw the one table. Okay, based on this one, simply make it this one, serial number. Okay, now the back pitch will be is equal to 7 and front pitch YF is equal to 5. 1. So here starting from the conductor 1, we added the back pitch. So this conductor connected we taken here. So this is the back pitch I want to require, that is the, what is the this one, the average pitch is 6. So that is equal 7. 1 plus 7. So you are going to get it 8th. It should be connected the 8th conductor. Now 8 should be come to this direction. So 8 minus 5, then I am going to get is a 3. Okay, second, and 3 plus 7, that is equal to 10, and 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. We can see here is a 8, 10, it is increasing these values. Okay, and here also increase these values, but it should be the odd, it should be even, remember. Okay, easy for the technique. Similarly make it, so 3 simply, so you are going to get it, the 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, so fourth, similarly draw it the table. Okay, 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, and 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, similarly you can write this all things. Okay, sorry. confused. Okay, so 16th now. So write it this one, the 16th one. Okay, now so that here 36 is the total conductors completed. Okay, so 18 into 2, 36 total conductors completed. But what will happen? 31 plus 7, so we are going to 38. 38 means actually we have the only 36 conductors only, 36 conductors only, but here is a 38 means here 38 minus 36 we are going to get is the second conductor. I am going to connect it. Okay, clear? So here, so actually 38 means the 36 conductors, but out of the range. So 38 minus 36, what is the value? That is the 2. So then I connect the 31 conductor to the second conductor. Now here the 38 conductor minus 5 I can connect to the, so what is the value? 33. Yes, I have the 33 conductor label. So now next 17. The 33 plus 7 is the 40th. So I have no 40th label conductors. So then I will 40 minus 36, that is the fourth conductor I will connect this one. Okay, so that 40 minus 5. So I have the 35th conductor. Okay, next 18th. So please keep in mind, I confused here. Don't confuse. Okay, so please go on step by step. Okay, so 35 plus 7. Okay, so 35 7 is the 42. So there is no 42. So 42 minus 36. Then I am going to get what is the value? Then 42. So the 42 minus, that is equal to sixth conductor I connect it. Okay. Now in this case I can connect the 46 conductor minus 5. So then I go to the first conductor where I started, I ended. Okay. So that's why this is the closed winding. So dear students, so now you can see that the table. So table is somewhat big, you can see. So what we have seen, we drawn the table so as per procedure. Okay, procedure YB YF. So here YB 1 plus 7, here the 8 minus 5. So we drawn the this at the same time we can check it. So here is all are in this case you can see all are the values, even values, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, such a way that you are going to get the all are the even numbers up to so sixth conductor. Now you can check here also, all are the odd numbers, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So you can check it. So where you are going to get it, whether correct or not. So we started from 1, I ended the 1. So our winding table is sound. Now based on this winding table, I can create the winding table. Okay. So any confusion, we can check it. So this is our winding table. The first step is completed. Here this is completed. Okay. Now so this is completed and this is completed. Now I am going to this one. Okay, double layer winding. So let us see that one. Now for this purpose we are going to draw the lines. We have to write it up to 36 conductors. So one is each slot consists of the two coils, the top coil and this is a bottom coil. Okay, so this is a second coil and second slot, this is another conductor. Third slot, another conductors. Fourth slot, these conductors. Fifth slot, these conductors. Similarly, complete this figure lines. Now make it the poles. Here we calculated what is the average pitch. So we know the average pitch is equal back pitch plus front pitch by 2. So that is equal to 36 by. So we know the YB, that is equal to average pitch is equal to, So Z by P, okay, that is equal to 6. Okay, so YB plus YF by 2 average 6, that is the every 6 conductors has the one pole. Okay, let us represent that poles with help of the north pole and south pole. Okay, then I can indicate this. Okay, red color, I can take red color. Okay, here, so I can indicate 1 to 6th pole. Okay, 1 to 6, I am going to connect one pole. This is the pole. So let us north pole. Next, I am going to another north pole. So I can take it another color. Okay, now this is the 7th conductor to that up to the 12th conductor. Okay, so this is 11, 13th now, so up to this one, other conductor. Okay, next this is to 18th. So 36 conductors by 6, that means 6 conductors under one pole. So in the north pole, for example, this is the south pole, this is the north pole, south pole, north pole and south pole. Okay, so indicate these colors, or you can simply you take these colors. So you can take this is the red color for this one. So north pole, this is the north pole, and this is the north pole. Okay, so north poles. Similarly, I require the south pole. Take the blue. This is these are the south poles. Red is the north pole and south pole. Okay, now coming to our topic. Now up as per the winding table, connect the lines. Okay, so here I am going to connect with the help of my this color. Okay, now the first conductor, so I started from the first as per winding table. So it is connected to the first conductor is connected here. You can see here from I can start the first conductor. Okay, so first conductor I connected here. It is connected to the 8th conductor. Okay, so now I connected to this is the first conductor, and where is the 8? So you can see this is the 8th under another pole condition. Okay, one pole pitch. Now the 8th is dotted line. Okay, so 8th, you can see this is the 8th dotted line is coming this side, and that is connected to the third one. Okay, third solid one. Okay, so where is the third? The one, sorry. Okay, it is connected to the third one. This is the solid third, and third connected to 10th. Where is 10th? So this is a dotted line. You can see the dotted line. Okay, this is the 10th dotted line. It is connected to 10th is connected to the 5th one. So 5th solid one. You can see solid one. Okay, 5th solid one is connected to, and that is connected to where? 5th is connected to the 12th. Okay, Okay, 12th is the, this is the 12th, where this is 12th, 11th, this is the 12th. Okay, dotted one. Okay, the 12 is connected to the 7th. You can see the 7th is a solid one here, and 7 is connected to 14, whereas this is a 13. Okay, this is a 14. 14 numbers are the, now the 14 is connected to the 9th conductor, solid one. Okay, here 9th should be connected to 16th, where this one 13, 14, 15. Okay, so 9th should be 9th, so that is connected to 9th should be connected to 16th, this one. Okay, then 16 should be connected to 13th, so it is connected here, and where it is connected, 16 should be connected to 13. Where is 13? So here is the 13. 11. This diagram as per the above winding table. Okay, so everything is clear here, so you can check it. So here you can check it, so you complete the winding diagram. Okay, similar, same, no problem. So 9 is connected to some, all are sequentially. So now it is connected to the this 15, the 16 should be connected here. Okay, all are the even numbers are, so you can remember that. So even conductors are dotted and odd conductors numbers are solid, just write it. Okay, now the 16 is connected similar to the one, this one, what is one, so 13, 15, 16, 16 should be connected to the nearby this 11th. Okay, so similar, so everything is similar, just you write it. Now dear students, now indicate the current directions in each conductor. Okay, let us, this is the north pole, this is the south pole, north pole, south pole, north pole and south pole. Okay, in north pole we are assuming that current is coming towards down. Okay, this direction, all current directions are downward in all conductors, whereas in this case the current direction is upward, downward and this is upward. Okay, downward, 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 upward, upward, upward. Okay, now after that, as per the winding table, just you connect it. So first conductor, once again I am writing the clearly here, you can see the, don't confuse, as per our winding diagram, where, so this is a winding diagram table. So as per the winding table we are going to connect it. Okay, so keep it aside and based on the table you connect the lines. Okay, so you don't confuse. You can see the first conductor. Okay, the first conductor connected with, the first conductor is connected to the 8th conductor. So this is the dark lines is a solid conductors, top conductors, and blue lines are the bottom conductors. Okay, so each slots having the 2 conductor sides, 2 coil sides. Okay, 2 coils. Now the first conductor is connected to the 8th. Where is this one? This is the 8th. This is the 8th. So blue color, this you can see, this 8. So you connect this 8th. Okay, so connected here, first connector is 8. Now 8 is connected to the, this is a back pitch, YB back pitch. It has to come to the front pitch. So front pitch we are going to connect here 8th conductor to be connected to 3rd conductor. Okay, so the solid one and is connected to here, is connected to here. Okay, so this one, and after that it is going to here, and 3rd conductor also is going to connect. Next 8th and 10th conductor, this is the 10th conductor. Okay, now 10th is connected to here, 10th is connected to 5th conductor. Okay, so where is the 5th? This is the 5th conductor, this one 5th conductor, this is the 10th conductor, 5th conductor. Okay, now the 5th conductor, so this is the 5th conductor, once again is connected to, as per our table, maybe it is a 12. Okay, this is a 12, blue 12. Just connect sequentially, you add it, don't confuse. This is just confusing thing, so don't confuse, similarly you go. So after it is connected to the next 12th is connected to 7th one, is coming to the 7th conductor, yeah, 7th is. Okay, now the 7th, okay, this no, the 7th is connected to 14th. Okay, so this side you are going to connect the blue color, and this side you are going to connect the black color, top conductors. Okay, now it is the what is the conductor? It is connected to the 14th. Now 14th is connected to the 9th. This is the 14th is connected to 9th. Where is the 9th? This is the 9th. Okay, we are going to connect it. Okay, so the 9th conductor is connected to, next is 9th connector is connected to, so which connector? 16th. Okay, so 16th conductor is connected to, so previously it is connected to the which conductor? That is the 9th. Now it should be connected to the 11th. Okay, so 11th conductor should be connected to which conductor? So previously connected the 16th, now it is should be connected to the 18th as per table. Now the 18th is connected to, so now 13th conductor, previously we connected 11, now it is a 13th conductor. Okay, 13th conductor is connected to, so that is the 18th, afterward 20. Okay, so 20 is connected to next 15th conductor. Okay, the 15th conductor is connected to is the 22 conductor. Okay, 22 is connected to, after is connected to the 15th is over, 17th conductor. Okay, so as per the table you can just take out 17th, or at the same time you can see this is a sequence order. Okay, so 17th is connected to, what is this one here? Next, after is so this is 22 is over. Next we are going to connect to the maybe 24 conductor. Okay, this is a 23, this is a 24. Okay, this is a not 26, this is 24. The 24th is connected to, okay, 24th is connected to, and after 17th is connected to the 19th. Okay, this 19th. So 19th is connected to, just a second, 19th is connected to here. Next 26th conductor. Okay, 26th is connected to, it's over, what is that? 21 conductor. 21 is connected to 28th conductor. Okay, so this is the 29th and this is the 28th. This one. Okay. Next 23 conductors connected. Next it is connected to this one. Okay, this is 30th. The 30th is connected to, it's over, what is the name? 30th, 23 is 25, 5th connector. 25th connector is connected to, and 32 connector. Okay, this one 32, and 32 connector is connected to next 23, 25, 27th conductor, solid one, and this 27 okay, 27 is connected to, next it is connected to, this is the 34th conductor. Okay, the 34 is connected here, and so 29th is over. Next is going to the 27 is over. Next is connected to the 29th. Okay, the 29th is connected to this connector. Okay, that is 34th connector. 34th is connected to, and 29th onwards connected to last one, that is the 36. Okay, so the 36 is going to connect to the conductor of here. What is the table? So 29 is over. Next we are going to get the 29. Okay, we connect the 31 sequentially, 31, and 31 connected to which conductor? It should be connected to the 31 to the second conductor as per the our table. Okay, this is connected to the second. Where it has a second, so it has to enter into the second conductor. This is the second conductor. Okay, entering from, so 31, it's coming the 31. You indicate this is the 31. Okay, now second conductor is connected to, so after this one second is entered, it is connected to the 33 as per our table. Okay, 33 is going from 33 to, so now where is the 33 here? So this one, so this is entered here. From it is connected to the second, no? It is connected to second, and 33 is connected to fourth conductor. Okay, so now this is the fourth. Where is this fourth? Here is the fourth. Okay, so 1, 3, this is the fourth. Okay, so it is coming from, so 33, just indicate it. Now the fourth once again is connected to, so fourth is connected to where? So 35, 33, this is the 35. Okay, so 35, so you can see where is this 35, so this is 33, this is 35. Okay, this is 35, so enter is this one from fourth. Then it is going to the 35 to sixth conductor. Okay, now 6 we are entered, so here the fifth, this is the sixth conductor. Okay, this is from 35. Okay, now the 35 is connected to the sixth conductor. The 6 is connected to this one, connected to first conductor, this conductor. Okay, so circuit is closed. As per time table diagram, just complete this one, don't confuse. Okay, it should be clear. Now our winding is starting from the 1, so go on surrounding the all slats and comes back to first slat, that is the conductor 1. Okay, so this is the one diagram you can see here. Okay, now the current, based on the current direction, here the number of slats. So this is known as the commutator segments. Commutator segments. So in segments you write it here. So how many slots? So nearly 18 slots. Okay, 18 into 36, 18 slots. Now for example here the first conductor, for example I connected the where this end connection is connected to the first slot, this is connected to the second slot, this is connected to the third slot, this is connected to the fourth slot, this is connected to the fifth slot, this is connected to the sixth slot. So you have the adapter, so just you choose the correct place. Okay, so here is there is no place, that's why I am something confusing. So in drawing sheet you draw it with the adapter, so with the white place. Okay, so we connect all these things. Okay, so these on slots are connected such a way that, okay, so all this one, all are connected. Now all end connections here you can say where two connections connected the slots. Now at the same time you want to require to place the brush position. So brush position is, in case of first you can see it here, the current direction in first slot and at the same time sixth slot or both are in downwards only. Okay, this is coming and this is coming, so you can keep it. So that is the, it is connected in the first slot, so you can place the brush, so take the place. Okay, at the same time you can see, so another where is the seventh conductor, you can see the seventh conductor. So this is the, where is seventh conductor, this one. Okay, you can this current direction and at the same time seventh is connected to the 12th one. So 12th also is the upward direction, so this direction and seventh as up direction. So here it is connected to the slot 4th. Now you can see here this connection is take as a negative. Okay, so that means, so both directions downwards it take it as a positive, and coil which has the both directions upward it take as a negative. This is a negative, this is a positive. Okay, so you set it on this one and keep the all brush positions. So here I am going to get it, so 7th slot that is a positive, and 10th slot I am going to get the negative, and 13th slot I am going to the once again positive, and 16th slot I am going to get the negative. Now you connect the all positives, so because parallel paths now, so you connect the all positives, and here is the first commuted segment, 7th segments, and is connected to the 13th commuted segment is the positive. You take the positive. Next, whereas the negative is the, take this, negative is the, so 4th slot. Okay, so 4th slot, and it is connected to the 10th slot. Okay, this is the 10th slot, and it's connected to the and last 16th slot. We take as a negative. Okay, these are the brush positions. So dear students, don't confuse. Please draw this diagram with patience and with clarity. So this procedure is simple, but it's a tedious work. Okay, it will take the half an hour and 45 minutes. Okay, so this is the total circuit diagram. Okay, you can see all these diagrams. Okay, so this is the final winding diagram. Now you require to write the ring diagram. The ring diagram. Okay, ring diagram. Simply, so what are the conductors? That means connections from 1 to where it is going. 1 to, that is the, simply write the simple connections side by side. 1 to 8, 8 to 3, 3 to 10, 10 to 5. So just like based on the table, so write to the winding diagram. Okay, so here, so first conductor, the from first it is connected to the conductor 8. So 8 is going 1, 8. After 8, it is connected to the once again 3, third conductor, and after third conductor, it is connected to the 10th conductor. 10th is connected to the once again the 5th conductor, and 5th conductor is connected to the 12th conductor. Similarly, you write all these things. Okay, so write it. Complete the total ring diagram with all conductors and number this one. Okay, 1 is connected to the 8th conductor, 8th is connected to the 3rd, 3rd is connected to 10, 10 to 5, 5 to, so similarly connect it. At the same time, you know the direction of the current from the winding diagram. So indicate the directions in all conductors. Now after writing this all things, now we are going to place the brush positions. Already we have seen brush position where it is connected to the conductors. Okay, so now where the brush positions you can see here, the 7th conductor nearby this one, you can see it. So here 7th, so both conductors are current is the same direction, and keep it as this is equal to take as a negative. And in the 13th you can see here we connect this is equal to positive. Now it is see that this is a negative. Just you assume it which direction you are going to. This is a +1. Similarly, you can place the brush here. This is the negative. Here this is taken as positive. Okay, this is taken as a positive. Okay, so this is the brush positions, and you connect the all positives here and make it this is a positive terminal, and all negatives you connect it. So this negative connect here, this negative, okay, yeah, this one, okay, negative, this is a negative, this is a positive. Okay, this is an overall ring diagram. Very easy, dear friends, based on the table and based on the winding diagram, we finally complete this one. Okay, so these are the double layer winding diagram. Okay, so what we have seen in this class, just conclude it. So is given the one problem here. So what is the problem is given? So problem is given such a way that if the problem is given, so lap winding. So has a number of slots is 18, number of poles 6. So you want to develop a diagram, double layer diagram. So based on this one, we calculate the simple calculations here. Okay, we calculated the back pitch and front pitch. After that, we calculated the table, winding table. So simple, just back pitch and front pitch with help of this one we created, and based on this table we drawn this winding diagram clearly. So you can see this one clearly, this winding diagram. Okay, so this winding diagram clearly we have drawn, and we placed the connected to the commutator segments. At the same time, on commutator segments we placed the number of brushes also. So you can observe the number of brushes are also equal to the number of poles, 6 poles, 3 for negative, 3 for positive. Okay, this is a winding diagram. From the winding diagram and table, so I am drawn this is a ring diagram. Okay, this is a ring diagram, so you can see it. These are the final layer. So dear students, no confusion, just it is a work is a tedious, so you have to do the step by step clarity. Okay, practice 1 or 2 times each figure, you may get the good idea. Okay, so this is, if you are having any doubts, we will clear in the next class. Thank you for listening to my class, dear students.